Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem 1496 path crossing. So given a string path where path of I is has 4 character NSEW, each representing moving one unit north, south, east or west respectively. You are start at the origin 0, 0 on a 2D Cartesian plane and walk on the path specified by path. Return true if the path crosses itself at any point, that is, if at any time you are on the location you have previously visited. Return false otherwise. So in the example one, we are going one unit first north, then east, then south. If we see, we are not repeating any of the coordinates, so which means we have to return false. And in example 2, if we go north, east, then south, then west, so we already visited this 0, 0 during the starting of the journey, then we are coming again, so which is we have to return for true. And the constraint is this path length can go 10 to the power 4 and path only consider 4 type of characters and SEW. So this problem is very easy. What we can do, we will start the path x comma y coordinate from 0 comma 0, and then whenever we move in north direction, if we go north direction, we will increment y. So because this is our y, north is in y direction, so this is called north direction, and here is east, and this is south, and this side is, let's call it, west. So if we go south, then we will decrease y1 coordinate, and if we go east, then we will increase xy1, and if we go west, then we will decrease xy1. And then every time we will compare x comma y coordinate in if we already visited. So how we will check that? So for that we need a data structure which can hold our x comma y coordinate pair, or we can form as a string using some delimiter, let's say x plus the delimiter, let me use it dollar delimiter, and then y. So we will store this entry in the hash set, and whenever we come to the new coordinate, we will just check if it is already in set or not, and then based on this we will respond. So the for implementation, we will create two variable, x from 0 int y from 0, and then we will create a string set of string data type set new hash set, and then we will create a string which is, let's say, called key. So that is x plus the path delimiter which is dollar plus y, and then add set dot add key. Then iterate over the path of for all character in path dot to char array. So if we will check if c is not, in that case not n character, it should be character n, then we just y plus plus. Second case we will check if it is south, in that case we will y minus minus. Third case is if it is east, in that case we will do x plus plus. And the last case, in the else, the last one, we will just update x minus minus. In the end we will check if set dot contains, so here key is same as x plus dollar with the dollar plus y, and we will check contains key, then we will return like we already visited the scene, so true. And otherwise update the set dot add key, and in the end if it is nothing, we will return false, we didn't found. So this is the implementation. Let's compile the code. So it is compiling for the example 1 and we are getting correct answer. Let's test the example 2 where we have the same and 2w. So let's see. So we are getting correct answer. Let's submit our solution. So it is accepted. So what is the time complexity? So the time complexity is the length of the array of the string path string we are crossing. So it is O of n, where n is the length of path, and the space complexity is also O of n in worst case, because we might add all the characters key string. So in that, thank you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for such videos.